maging...
Go, slide.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to talk about the 1987 Constitution. So, what is the 1987 Constitution? So, it is the supreme law of the Philippines. When we say supreme, it is the highest law in the Philippines. Then, we create a 1987 Constitution after ang 1986 Power Revolution and guides how the government works and protects the rights of the people. So, it means ang Constitution mao'y naghatag og mga rules sa gobyerno to follow and make sure people rights are set. Kana example ani kana kumubutar ta og presidente, di ba? That's following the rules. Or else kung musumbong ta sa korte aron ipaglaban ang atong kabubuan. So that's protection of rights. So next, democratic principles. Ms. Ubang, please.
The 1987 Constitution upholds democratic principles and establishes a republican form of government. It affirms the sovereignty of the Filipino people and promotion of social justice, human rights, and the rule of law.
So, democratic principles. Ang 1987 Constitution make sure the power belongs to the people, protects the rights, and ensure fairness and justice through law. For example, parehas sa akong giingon ganina, pagboto sa eleksyon, or pag-adto sa korte aron ipaglaban ang kabubuan. So, next, there are three branches of government. First, we have executive, which is enforces laws. Or ang presidente, sila ang magpatuman or mag-implement sa mga balaod. Second is legislative, which is made laws. Like, ang mga Congress, sila ang maghimo sa mga balaod. And the third one is judicial, which is interprets law. Same sa mga Supreme Courts, mao'y mag-desisyon kung patas ba ang balaod. Pero nako, ang executive, mao'y magpatuman or magpa-implement sa balaod. Ang legislative, mao'y maghimo sa balaod. Ang judicial, mao'y mag desisyon kung patas ba ang lalaki.
Analyze. Interpret.
Next, Bill of Rights. Sir Hitilo, this read.
Bill of Rights. This the rights of the people. Protect us from abuse.
The Bill of Rights is a part of Constitution that lists all the rights and freedoms that people have. It protects us from being treated unfairly or abused. Labi na sa mga. Like for example, the right of freedom of speech. Meaning, pwede ka mag-istorya sa iyong opinion without fear. Another example, the right to privacy. Meaning, walay makasulod sa imo personal life without a valid reason. Next, local government. Please, sir, Mubarol.
Masama ka na. The Constitution recognizes the importance of local autonomy and provides for the establishment of local government units, which is LGU. LGU have their own powers and functions, enabling them to govern their respective territories and promote local development.
So, the Constitution gives power to local government or LGUs aron magtulong mga desisyon para sa ilang lugar. This allows them to manage local affairs and help their communities grow. For example, a city government can decide on local projects like sa pagtugod o kalsada o ospital. Another example a barangay can organize programs to train the community. Next, economic provisions. Sir Morales is
Economic provision. The Constitution includes provision on economic policies aiming to promote sustainable development, equitable distribution of wealth, and protection of Filipino businesses and industries. It encourages the foreign investments that are beneficial to the country.
economic provisions. So, the Constitution sets laws to make the economic growth fairly, protect Filipino businesses, and allows help from foreign and investment. For example, kanang pagsuporta sa gagmay na negosyo sa mga for official documents. Ano? Isa pa. Organic, school trip, and research regional languages like Cebuano, Ilocano, Mana. Sa standardized, next amendment. So next amendment. Ma'am Irina, please read.
Constitution provides for a success, amendment, or revision that allows changing circumstances the land needs. Amendments may be proposed by Congress or through a constitutional convention and require ratification through a national referendum.
So amendments. From the word amendments, it changes to the Constitution or updates to the Constitution. So, the Constitution allows changes to the Constitution allows changes to be made if needed. Ang mga changes o amendments pwede i-propose sa Congress or a special meeting and must be approved by the people through voting. Example ko, kinahanglan nga i-update ang mga laws tungod sa bag-ong problema. So, Congress can propose changes ug ang katawhan maoy mubutar kung oyon ba o dili. Summary, the 1987 Constitution is like the rule book of the nation, and it protects our rights and guides the government. Remember, knowing your Constitution, knowing your rights. Right.